Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Installing Python in Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Introduction. Visual Studio Code, VS Code, is a versatile and powerful code editor developed by Microsoft. It supports various programming languages, including Python, and offers a range of features that enhance the coding experience. Installing Python in VS Code allows you to write, debug, and execute Python code seamlessly within the editor environment. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the step-by-step process of installing Python in Visual Studio Code on different operating systems. Prerequisites. Before starting, ensure you have the following prerequisites. Step 1. Install Python, if not already installed. Before configuring Python in VS Code, you need to have Python installed on your system. If Python is not already installed, follow these steps. For Windows. For Mac OS. For Linux. Step 2. Install the Python extension for Visual Studio Code. After installing Python on your system, the next step is to install the Python extension for Visual Studio Code. Here's how. Step 3. Configure Python interpreter in VS Code. Once the Python extension is installed, you need to configure the Python interpreter in VS Code. Follow these steps. Step 4. Verify Python setup in VS Code. To verify that Python is correctly configured in Visual Studio Code, follow these steps. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Python in Visual Studio Code and configured it for development. With Python set up in VS Code, you can now write, debug, and execute Python code seamlessly within the editor environment. Experiment with different features and explore the vast ecosystem of extensions available to enhance your coding experience further. Happy coding! ChatGPT.